This channel has achieved high views in a short period, as one of its videos has exceeded 1,300,000 views. So today I will teach you how to make anime videos and use them in your videos for free. But I will devote this video to explaining how to make like it, but as short videos. To publish it on your YouTube channel, or on your TikTok. Since we mentioned TikTok, will it be banned from America? What is the fate of TikTok users and content creators? And other questions so far, there is no strict decision that TikTok will attend in America. But until 6 months from here, will the solution be found between the American and Chinese countries? Some content makers have also appeared on the TikTok platform, as they went out for Moors asking the state not to ban the TikTok application in America. So hopefully things will remain normal and evolve for the better over time. Let's talk now on our video. As I said, with this niche you can achieve millions of views. The script remains for you to choose, either it is a story, it is a motivational paragraph, or advice, etc. The best thing about this niche, it's so easy and completely free to do. Be one of the first people in this special group. If you watch this video until the end, I guarantee you'll start making your own videos for your account tomorrow. But wait, if you do not have a TikTok program beta account and want to buy it cheaply, you will find the link below the video. Choose the account you want, and from which country you want to belong. All you have to do is use coupon code. To take advantage of 10% Micro White discount from the original price of the account, do not forget to read the instructions that you will receive on the email account. Well, to avoid any problem with your account. So don't be one of the people who still miss the opportunity. Now let's move on now to the explanation. First, we will go to the ChatGPT website. After the appearance of this interface, we copy this prompt. You will find it in the description of the video and send it to ChatGPT. We are waiting for until it is finished writing the script. And then we ask him to write in one paragraph without explaining the events. And here he rewrites it. As you can see, it has written in the form of a consistent paragraph. If you do not like this paragraph, just ask him I want another example and he will write you a new script. Now after writing the script, we will need to convert it to say, so we will go to ElevenLabs. This interface will appear with you. All you have to do is click on Add Voice, then Voice Library. Then you will choose the voices related to narrative and stories. Then we change the gene-eater to male. Then you choose the sound you see fit, then add it. And the method is click on Add Voice Lab, then you click on Add Voice, then finish and return to the main interface. And we select the voice that we added a little while ago. Then we return to the ChatGPT site and copy our script. In this way, then we paste it here and click on Generate. We wait a little so that we can download the audio. Information if your script is short. Any duration is less than 1 min. You can return to ChatGPT and ask it to rewrite it longer. Now we will go to the Pika website, and this is the interface. Here you can make videos with artificial intelligence. Now you will copy this prompt and paste them here, or you describe the video you want and remember that you want in the form of anime, or even ask ChatGPT to make prompts for you for this step. You have the choice. Then you will change the number of frames here from 24 to 12 so that the videos appear more as anime. Here you will increase the strength of motion. Then you will press here to start making the video for you. Just press here more than once for the industry a large number of videos. Yes, you will use the same prompt, and you will have different videos as you see now. Because these clips are 3 seconds long, if you want to make a 1-minute video, you will need at least 20 syllables of these videos. After making enough videos, you will download it in this way. Now we will need exciting music. So we will go to Pixabay. This is the interface that will appear with you. You will change this option to music option, and then we will search for motivational song. You will show you many songs that will choose one of them and download one of them. But do not forget to copy this and paste it in the description of the video if you are going to post it on YouTube, but if you want to post it on TikTok, there is no need. Now we will need a CapCut application for editing. First, we will add all the supplies we just downloaded. Then we will add the audio for the script. After that, we add music as a background in this way. The music is modified, where we adjust its duration with the audio of the script, and then we also lower the sound of the music slightly, so that its sound does not rise to the voice of the narrator. After that, we change the video size to 9.16. Then we add the videos one by one. You can add them randomly, or add them according to the subject of the script. This is due to the method you use to write prompts these videos. After arranging the videos in this way, we go to each video separately and we increase its size to fill the video screen in this way. Here we will change the color of all the videos to black and white, but you cannot convert them to these colors, just watch their original colors. First you select all the videos in this way and then press the adjustment. You put the saturation back to 50 and then put the export on 7, then 4 on contrast, then highlight on 1. As for the result of the two videos, the first in colors and the second in white and black in the end of the video. Now, we will add effect. We will go to effects and then choose retro options. Then we choose black noise, add it, and then extend it to all videos in this way. Now we will add transitions, so we will go to the transition option and then choose the camera options. Then we will add left and right transitions to all the videos, where if you used left transition, then you will add the right transition and so on until you finish. For this method, you can use it even on the long videos on YouTube. Just search for the channels that succeeded in this niche and receive the idea from them, and then create your own channels and post videos on them. You can add more effects. I just want to show you how to make videos, and you are creative in your work, and I trust you that you will achieve excellent results. Now let's add captions. You will click on text option, then choose auto captions, then choose the English language, then you click on create and wait until you appear with us captions. After the words appear, we will add this picture here. I am useful in misleading the places. It also adds aesthetics to the video. We also lengthen its duration in this way, and then again we copy it, and we add it to the top of the video in this format. Now we'll go to captions, then templates, and we'll choose one of them. You can add touches like change font or add glow, etc. Here will be the end of the explanation, and I will leave you with the result. But before that, you must be sure of the quality of the video and the number of frames before extracting it. We'll meet you on Sunday in a new video. Bye-bye.
Picture your mind as a fertile garden awaiting your touch. Just as a diligent gardener tends to their plot, removing weeds of doubt and negativity, you too must cultivate your thoughts. Plant seeds of positivity, water them with actions, and watch as your aspirations bloom into reality. Like a well-tended garden, your mind can thrive, resilient against the storms of life, if you nurture it daily. So tend to your garden of thoughts and witness the beauty that blossoms from within, reflecting your inner strength and determination.